Oh no, man. You've opened the food bag and you got two different flavors of ramen noodle. Oh no. If you mix them together, it's going to taste kind of funky. So, it's time to show you guys how to do Hobo Super Ramen Noodle. We're going to get some water boiling and we'll be back with the rest of this. Okay, while your water's getting ready to boil, and it's getting ready, we'll move on to the next part of this. Of course, it's the ramen noodles, the main ingredient here, but the next part we can do will be part of the ingredients for the Super Hobo ramen noodle is Velveeta cheese. This is jalapeno, or you can go the less spicy, which I prefer, the original variety. Sunlight here is kind of making it hard to see. There we go. And you can get these from the Dollar Tree, and they're $1 a piece, of course. So that's another ingredient. Of course, the next ingredient is going to be some bacon pieces. Okay. Again, I got this from Piggly Wiggly, but you can get these from a lot of the food stores. And of course, some green onion. So I'm gonna get the green onion chopped up here, and then we'll get everything ready to go. All right. Adding onion to this dish has some very big pluses. For starters, if you had these when you were crossing on the sailboats to come to America, and you were a sailor, you would not have gotten scurvy. And scurvy breaks down the system and slowly kills you. To make it short. So having onion in a dish is a plus, guys. So I'm going to start cutting them up here, little pieces. There we go. Cut it long ways if I can. There we go. Chop them up a little bit. Trying to go everywhere. So this is one of the parts of the dish here. Now, I love cooking everything one pot. Well, there's one out of the way. So rather than having you guys bear watching all the rest, I'm gonna go ahead and move on. Okay, here's our second ramen noodle. And now while those are preparing, I'm gonna go ahead and get everything else ready to go. Be right back with you guys. Now, some of the onion I've chopped up, I'm not gonna put it all in there right now, but some of it I'm gonna go ahead and drop it in there. Help add with the flavor and the taste of the ramen noodle. There we go, down in there. Doing pretty good. And we'll go ahead and prepare the rest of this. Now, the Velveeta cheese, all you want to do is just cut across the top here, get your nice little opening going there, and that's it for that. Alright? And of course, same way with the bacon bits, you want to cut it. This has got a seal lock here, so it's ready to go back closed when it's done. Okay guys, I've now drained the liquid off of the ramen noodle. I don't much care for all that liquid. And now I'm going to take the Velveeta cheese. I'm going to start squirting some in. Just like that. Take the fork. It's going to take a minute to do it. And I'm going to mix the Velveeta cheese in with the noodles. It's a little gooey, it takes a minute or two. Oops, hit the camera. There it goes, it's starting to come in part of the mix up with it. The warmer the cheese, the better off. I'll throw some of this green pepper in here green onion I got here. Throw a little bit more of that in there. So I'm mixing it together. As I said before, that will stop malnutrition, and it's like to me, a wonder food. Alright, next we're going to put a little bit more cheese in it. There we go, some more cheese. Mix it in too. I enjoy one pot cooking, guys. I don't want to mess up 2 or 3 pots. I don't want to wash 2 or 3 pots. Call it lazy if you will, or being a bachelor, I don't care. Then the next ingredients we're going to put into it is the bacon bit. Whoops, there we go. Let's get them in the picture. Bacon bits, okay? Add a few bacon bits to it. And to continue the mixing process. So if you like something cheesy and ready to go, not too hard to make, I'm sure the crows would come over and get it if they could get it. You see it's coming together real good, guys. And this is my Hobo Super Ramen Noodle right here. And as you can see, it's pretty cheesy. A little bit more mixing here. And that's what it looks like, guys. Let's throw a little bit of this green on it from the green onion. Give it a little color. And I hope you guys will give this a try. You know, I've had people comment on other stuff that they go, yuck, sardines. Well, the way I look at it, until you try it, shut the hell up. Can I say it that way? So give it a try, see what you think. If you don't like it, you don't like it. But I do want to say thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate the views. Good. For you guys who were wondering about that leftover Velveeta cheese, well, guys, didn't go to waste. Thanks for watching.